Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of importing MOGRT files into Adobe Premiere Pro, ensuring you do it in the right way. Launch Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer, open the project you are working on, or create a new project. Navigate to the top menu and select Window. From the drop-down, choose Essential Graphics to open the panel. This panel is where you will manage and import your MOGRT files. In the Essential Graphics panel, locate the Browse tab, click on the plus icon or the Import button. At the bottom of the panel, navigate to the location of your MOGRT files, then select the files you want to import. Click Open to add the MOGRT files to your project. After importing your MOGRT files, it will appear in the Essential Graphics panel. Drag and drop the desired MOGRT file on your timeline to add it to your sequence. You can customize the MOGRT by selecting it in the timeline and adjusting the settings in the Edit tab of the Essential Graphics panel. By following the steps, you can easily add dynamic graphics to your projects. Remember to keep your MOGRT files organized for easier access and future projects. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.